All right, guys, so just another quick tip. We just talked about easy off. I'm hoping that it's going to work again for the undercoating that's on the bottom of the inner fenders. We're getting ready to take them down to Johnny's Auto Color, have the inner fenders, the hood, and the spoiler painted. So I wanted to clean them up before I left. So just a few minutes ago, before we had lunch, I sprayed the easy off on there and let it sit and bake out in the sun a little bit. So let's see how it goes. All right, so we're all done and it worked. I will be honest. I mean, look at it. It turned out really good. I will be honest though. I did have to go back and hit it with a wire brush and one of those scrubbing pads, which you can see right there. But it did turn out really good. The Easy Off oven cleaner helped out a lot. I would definitely recommend it, especially with a power washer. I actually had to go back and hit it 3 times. So what I did is I took the Easy Off oven cleaner and I sprayed it on as you saw it the first time. I power washed it off. Most of it came off, but there's still a lot of really thick spots. So what I did is I went back with this little scrubber wheel guy right here, and I hit the really thick spots with the scrubber wheel. And I went back and I hit it again with Easy Off one more time. I would say 95% of everything came off once I did that. And then I just went back and I hit it with the wheel again, and also a little wire brush on a drill. And I think what it did is it knocked all the old hard stuff off the top and got down to the greasy stuff, which is what the Easy Off oven cleaner took care of. So again, I could have done that. I should have done that on the undercoating. We did it with an air chisel first, so that took a little bit more time. But it's all a learning process, and we're here, and hopefully we can help you guys out and save you some time and give you some ideas when you're working on your garage build. Thanks again for watching, and keep watching for other IGTV and YouTube videos. We are Fast Cars Live. Please give us a like and give us a follow and give us a big thumbs up. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Take care.